Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Ever looked at the price tag of an electric car repair and nearly fainted? I know I have. But what if I told you that a surprising number of those repairs are actually DIY-able, saving you a fortune in the process? That's what we're diving into today, unlocking the secrets to affordable electric car maintenance and repair. Now, before we get started, I need to be upfront. While I've done extensive research for this video, I haven't been able to find a ton of specific, recent data online regarding DIY electric car repair. So, we're going to rely on general knowledge, common sense, and a dash of informed speculation based on the title of this very video. Think of it as a collaborative journey of discovery. Let's start with the basics. Electric cars, while technologically advanced, aren't some alien spacecraft requiring NASA-level expertise to fix. Many issues are surprisingly similar to those found in gas-powered vehicles. Think flat tires, those are still a thing even with electric motors. And changing a flat tire on an electric car is pretty much the same as changing one on a gas-powered car, albeit maybe a bit heavier. Now, let's talk about the high-voltage systems. This is where things get a little more electrifying. This is not the time to be winging it. Seriously, folks, safety first. High-voltage systems can pack a serious punch, potentially leading to serious injury or even death if handled incorrectly. Always consult your car's manual and any relevant service documentation. Before you even think about touching anything high voltage, make sure the car's power is completely disconnected. Many electric vehicles have specific procedures for this, so don't cut corners. Beyond the high-voltage system, there are plenty of DIY-friendly repairs you can tackle. Think about things like replacing wiper blades, changing cabin air filters, or even performing basic fluid checks. These are often straightforward and can save you a trip to the mechanic. Plus, it's incredibly satisfying to know you handled it yourself. Now, some of you might be thinking, but what about the battery pack? That's gotta be a nightmare to fix. And you're partially right. Replacing a battery pack is usually a job best left to the professionals. These packs are complex, expensive, and require specialized tools and knowledge. But that doesn't mean you can't do preventative maintenance. Keeping the battery pack clean and properly ventilated can significantly extend its lifespan. Check your owner's manual for specific recommendations for your car model. Speaking of manuals, let's talk about the importance of reading them. I know, manuals are about as thrilling as watching paint dry. But seriously, they're your best friend when it comes to DIY electric car repair. They contain vital information about safety procedures, troubleshooting steps, and even diagrams to guide you through repairs. Think of it as an instruction manual for your very own electric vehicle. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, the diagnostic tools. While some basic checks can be done with simple tools, more complex diagnostics might require specialized equipment. Think OBD-ROMN2 scanners, but specifically designed for electric vehicles. While these tools can be expensive, many are available for rent or lease, reducing the initial financial burden. And hey, if you're a serious DIY enthusiast, investing in some high-quality diagnostic tools might be a worthwhile investment in the long run. Let's talk about the community aspect. Online forums and communities dedicated to electric vehicles are treasure troves of information. People share their experiences, troubleshooting tips, and even DIY repair guides. Don't be afraid to ask questions, share your experiences, and learn from others. It's a great way to connect with like-minded individuals and broaden your knowledge. So, we've covered a lot of ground today. Remember, safety is paramount when working on any vehicle, especially an electric one. Always consult your manual, take your time, and if you're ever unsure about something, don't hesitate to seek professional help. Now, if you found even one useful nugget or had a chuckle, hitting that like button really helps tell YouTube this content is valuable, helping others find it too. It takes a second but means a lot. And hey, if you want to keep diving deep into topics like this and stay ahead of the curve, make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell. We've got more insights coming your way. Creating these detailed videos takes a ton of research and time. If you get value from this work and want to support the channel directly, there's a Patreon link in the description below. Every little bit helps fuel future content and keeps this channel going strong. No pressure at all, but huge thanks if you do. So, to wrap things up, remember that while some electric car repairs require professional expertise, many are surprisingly within the reach of the average DIY enthusiast. By understanding the basics, prioritizing safety, and leveraging the wealth of information available online, you can save money and gain a deeper appreciation for your electric vehicle. Now tell me, what DIY electric car repair are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below.